Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to bypass Google verification on Samsung Galaxy XCover 5. Okay, as you can see, we are doing the setup process and the phone wants us to sign into our Google account and we don't remember the password simply or the mail, so we cannot go forward. So let me show you how we can bypass it. So first, go to the main page, to the first page on the setup process. Now launch your computer and we gotta download a few things. First, visit our page HardReset.info and go to download section. In here, type Samsung drivers and click on search. Select the Samsung drivers on the right side with this photo and hit the download button. Then open up a new tab. The link will be in the description. In here we have the FRP tool, but before we click on download, we gotta turn off the antivirus for now. Don't worry, this app is not a threat or anything like that. Basically, almost every FRP tool app is recognized by the antivirus as a threat, so that is why for now we gotta turn it off. I'm using the Windows Defender, so I gotta go into virus and threat protection, then click on manage settings, and for now I need to turn off the real-time protection. Of course, after the whole process we can turn on our antivirus back on. And now hit the download button, this one. Okay, now open up the downloads folder, go to downloads, and in here we have our Samsung drivers and the FRP tool app. We gotta extract those two files. Right click, I'm using WinRAR to extract the files, and click on extract to. If you don't have the WinRAR, you can use a different app, of course, or you can click on extract all and extract, and it will also fully work. Okay, those two files, FRP tool app and the Samsung drivers. Now open up the folder with the Samsung drivers and double click. Okay, click on yes. In my case it's already installed, but I can repeat the installation process. Click on next, next, and install. It might take a little bit, so we gotta be patient. In the meantime, let's also install the FRP tool app. So open up the folder, launch the setup, click on next, next, and install. Okay, and then click on finish. Okay, now we gotta keep waiting until Samsung drivers are installed. You can also prepare a USB-C cable, connect it to your computer, and then, because without it we won't be able to unlock to bypass the FRP. So keep waiting. And also, if you are installing the Samsung drivers for the first time, I highly recommend to restart the computer after the installation of the drivers, so thanks to that everything will work properly, because if you don't restart, it may not work. So have that in mind. Okay, and then click on finish. Now you should restart your computer. Now, open up the FRP tool app. I don't want to update the app. Or actually, okay, weird thing. So let's download the FRP tool app directly from our page. My bad. Go to download in here, and not to download. Go to main page, type XCover 5, select the Samsung XCover, go to bypass Google verification, select the sentence with Android 8, 9, 10 up to 13 and security patch to January 2023, and select this bypass tool version. Click on download. In my case, I also have it installed. It's right in here. You also gotta extract it and then launch the installation, then repeat it, and it should work. I have accidentally downloaded the older version. Now it should be okay. Okay. And now we gotta connect our phone to our computer thanks to the USB-C cable. I highly recommend to use the original cable. If you don't have it, you can of course use a different good quality USB-C cable. And now, as you take a look in our FRP tool app, our phone has appeared right in here as Samsung Mobile USB modem, and it's really important that you need to see it. Now, select the Samsung in here on the top left corner, and now open up the test menu. To do it, click launch the dial pad and type *#0*#. That's our test menu. And now we gotta click on remove FRP security from August 2022 to December 2022, the button in the middle. Now click on that and click on normal mode. Okay, click on already open test mode. Okay, something didn't work, so let's try again. Normal mode. Okay, select always allow from this computer and then click on allow. Sometimes it takes a few tries, so don't worry if it didn't work on the first try, simply repeat and it should be okay. Don't click on anything, wait until the program does its job. Okay, select no, I do not want. Close it up. Okay, now we can unplug the cable, we won't be needing it anymore. Now let's wait until our phone turns on. After that, we'll also perform the factory reset through the settings manually, and after the last reset, everything will be, now it will be already fully remote, but we'll perform the one last reset through the settings, and after the reset through the settings, we won't have any Google verifications anymore. Okay, so now let's keep waiting. We can now close everything up, we won't be needing those things anymore. When it comes to the bypass tool, download it directly from our page, just like I have shown you. Don't go to that mega page. My bad, I have simply forgot to pick the latest version. It's available on our page, so you can download it. Now we can close everything up. I'll go to the full screen also. And now let's keep waiting until our phone turns on. And then we'll perform the factory reset through the settings also. So let's keep waiting. Okay, actually it has already turned on. But now it still says to unlock, sign in with your Google account. Don't worry, sometimes it happens. All you gotta do is to open up the bar, slide from the upside to the downside to launch the control center, and now click the settings button. Just like I was talking about, sometimes it takes a few tries. because we gotta launch the settings. Okay, now settings has launched. Keep scrolling down, go to general management, scroll down, go to reset, factory data reset, and confirm. Click on delete all. Now let's keep waiting. The phone will restart. We'll have the setup process. We'll go through it and I'll show you that we won't have any Google verifications anymore. But now we need to wait. Okay, the phone has finally turned on. It took a little bit, because you know that's old device, so it took some time. And now select your language during the setup. Click on Next. Select that you agree and click on Next. Now we don't need to connect to the Wi-Fi, we can simply skip. And the FRP won't appear. Also, your device needs to have the software version with the security patch up to December 2022. I don't want to copy the data. Next. More. Next. I'll skip the screen lock. Same thing with the Samsung account. More, agree. Finish. Okay, we have finished the setup process. As you can see, our device has turned on and our FRP has been successfully bypassed and our Google account has been removed. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.